Now, which country am I in? If you were to say America, you are wrong. I am here in Cambodia, and yeah, I am probably just as confused as you are. What is this? Guys, we're down here. There seems to be fortune tellers everywhere, but I don't really want my fortune to be told in Cambodian. So, do any of them speak English? We're going to find out, because I need to know what's going to happen. Hello. Do you, oh, look at the cat. He's very fluffy. Does he bite? What's the cat's name? Wow. Hey, you do fortune telling?
No speak English.
Not for English. Okay. Okay. And what's this? The magic pill to make my life better. For you? Okay. So it is proving hard to find an English speaking fortune teller, but they line the esplanade here. Hey guys, how are you? Good, good. Do we get a Cambodian hat? Full cowboy styles. Hello. Hello. How much is this? $4. $4? Okay, $4. You know what? We're not even going to bargain. We're just going to give her $4. Let's be fair, but let's see what this looks like in a mirror. Have you got a mirror?
Yeah.
You have a mirror so I can see what this looks like? Yeah? A mirror? Yes? She's just saying yes, but she doesn't know what I'm saying. But what we can do, we'll put it on and we will have a look. How does that look? It is real. It is not fake. And the reason I say that, guys, is because there is stories about a lot of fake $100 notes going around. And to be fair, you know, I think America need to really step up their game. They're still printing it on this, it's not paper, but it's like a coated kind of paper. I feel like this would be quite easy to fake. But we're gonna see. So 96 change.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey guys, this is the thing. This is where it gets really confusing, because I give her American, and she's gonna give me some in American and then some in real, which is their currency. So how much is this? So that's 80. And then this one.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, this money okay. Okay. Guys, we're gonna stop here because I need to count this, because I really need to concentrate. I'm so confused. Hello. Wow, that guy touched me in a weird kind of way, but that's all right. Wow, look at all the money. We've got the change in this. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's right. Correct. Now you want me to eat ice cream? Oh God. Got to buy everything around here. Oh, look, there's a cat. Guys, what do you reckon? Looks all right. So it's actually quite hard with the money here. As you saw, gave her 100. I got 80 American back as change, and then they give me what, 16 in their money, but then I've got to count it up. I'm like, okay, so 16 equals 66,000, and then you've got to try to work it out. So, but I found everyone's been pretty honest with it. My first night, I gave the guy like 10 times more and just expecting to walk away, but hello. But no, he was honest. He stopped me and he goes, here you go, sir. So, you know, the Cambodians, pretty good so far. Guys, look at this. We've got some kids down here ripping apart some styrofoam for unknown reasons. What is this? Oh, are they? So they're putting it into their clothing as like floating devices, maybe? So they can swim? What? This is so random. See, this is the thing. You always find new things in new countries. I probably wouldn't be swimming in that water, but yeah, that's what they're using it for, to float. But are they just having fun, or are they going out to fish and find some stuff? You never know. Have a look at this. There's a cage up here full of little birds. Who owns these birds? No English. Okay. But yeah, there's a couple of people walking around with these birds. I'm pretty sure you can, I think it's like maybe a Chinese tradition where you buy them and you release them. But yeah, we can't find the person, so we'll just go for a little walk up here and see who else has some. Hey, look, these ones are not caged; they're free to roam. But these are here. And the thing is, I don't know if I agree with the system. It's like, it's nice for me to buy those birds and give them a second chance, but someone's going to buy them anyway. But at the same time, do they then just catch them? Do they come back, or are they free? And then these vendors are going to keep breeding them and keep making more money. Oh, look at this, there's turtles. Oh, look how small they are. Have a look at this little guy. Look. He's going to bite me there. Wow, look at him. He's so cool. Guys, we are live here on the scene. There seems to be some massive fight. Someone's come past and been like, can I buy some popcorn? And the other vendor's like, my popcorn is better. Sold it to the person. Now it's like this massive fight. Whose popcorn is better than whose? We need some subtitles. Oh shit, it is getting heated. It is getting heated here today in Cambodia. No idea what's going on. But that's what happens out here on the streets. 2 birds for $2?
Yes.
Okay, and I release them at the same time as her. Okay, let's go. Guys, we're rescuing some birds here today. We've got bird number 1. Is this 2? 2 birds? Oh, quick, they're getting out. Oh, here we go. There he goes. There he goes. I've done my good deed for the day. Although she might just keep breeding them and do this every day. I've done my part here for the community of birds. So was that 2 birds, was it? $2?
Yeah.
You know what, we'll do 2 more. Let's rescue 2 more today. We're feeling generous. But 1 at a time, okay? Bird number 1. Oh, she's got both. So here's the cute little birds, and we're going to rescue them over the water. Here we go. Ready? Watch this. Fly, my pretties. This lady has given me some bird seeds to feed the pigeons. Thank you. So guys, like, there's a lot of things here to do with releasing birds, releasing fish, burning incense, feeding the birds, and it's all a symbol of good luck, so to speak. In Australia, we would be throwing hot chips to the seagulls, but here in Cambodia, we give seeds to the pigeons. So one of the things here in Cambodia, you have to store these Benjamins or these $100 notes very carefully. If you get a tear in it or it's folded, like I've just stupidly done, they will refuse to accept these. So you've got to find a safe place to store these dead flat because they just won't take them. How are you? Yeah. How much to weigh myself? Yeah? Yeah. How much to weigh myself? What is the price for this one? 2,000. 2,000? Yeah. Okay, that's pretty fair. All right, guys, let's go, and we'll deduct this, and we'll deduct the GoPro. So let's see. Let's see if I put on weight, lost weight. I'm guessing 94. Let's go.
No money, yum yum.
No money, yum yum. No money? Okay, I reckon 94, guys. Let's have a look. Actually, you know what? Let's keep it simple. Let's take this off. Put that there. Yeah, we'll put it there. Put it there. We don't want some hoodlums to come past and steal it. All right, what do we got?
91.
91. And this is This is accurate?
Yeah, hello.
91, guys. Hey, I'm losing some weight. Probably losing some muscle too, but thank you very much. Let's pay the man. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. If we look down here on the riverbank, we've got about 10 different men down here sifting through the water lilies, sifting through the rubbish, and some of them have bags and brooms. You wonder, are they cleaning it up? Are they cleaning this area up to make it look like a better spot, or are they simply sifting through to find the glass, the aluminium, the plastic to recycle and get some money from? Don't know if we can get a clear-cut answer, but they sure are hustling. Maybe they are cleaning it all up. Hello, my friends. How are you? You good, man? Big cleanup. There we go. Well, this guy is obviously like an official, so it looks like maybe they are just doing a big cleanup here, all the rubbish, which is really good, because you hear me always talk about this when I'm in Asia, like all the rubbish. And I gotta say, like this strip along here in Cambodia, it's starting to become a lot more developed and really nice, and it's so good to see that we have people out here collecting all the shit, so to speak. So this is a view here along the river, and this is just showing how modern and how developed it's becoming. You've got Starbucks over there, you've got sort of high-end restaurants and pubs and hotels, and it's looking real good. Look at the grass, like the manicuring on the lawns and the garden. So it's really great to see that they're cleaning up all that river, because the last thing you want down here is to have the nice strip full of plastic and crap. Guys, check it out. So this is like a convenience store here. So you know how like Australia and all that, cigarettes are just behind the counter or locked up? Look at this, just on the shelf. Just like an everyday product, you know. You got some shaving creams and then cigarettes, just all in the same category. And then we look over here, what do we got? Some Cialis, some Viagra. This is not even a chemist, this is just like a 7-Eleven kind of thing. So they have everything here. But yeah, what actually happened with me, I've booked my hotel down here, and I did not do this on purpose. I swear to God. This is like the red light district right here. Like, this is full of all the girly bars. Looks quiet right now, but do not be fooled. This place comes alive at night. This whole place lined up. So we may even take the camera out a little bit later and give you a little bit of a look. But yeah, we are right here. This is the spot.
Riverside, motherfucker.
So guys, this is the Riverside Hotel, and I've got to say it has gone downhill a little since their big hit in 2010, but we'll do a room tour anyway. So this is it. I could show you the bathroom if the light works, so we're going to skip that one. Now, if you booked an establishment like this called the Riverside and you paid a little bit extra for a window, would you expect to look out the window and see a nice river? I certainly would. Now let's have a look at that view. So yeah, we've got some nice bars and a corridor view. So the Riverside Hotel. Going. Oh, you got the Australian.
Yeah, I got
Australian
two.
blues.
I got two.
You know this. You know this. Big in Australia.
Yeah, you call me Blake.
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 Yeah.
Blake.
Black.
I'm Marco.
No,
Black
no.
or Blake?
Black.
Black.
Color is black.
Oh, black. Okay. All right, black.
Black.
All right.
Yeah.
Awesome, guys. We have the State of Origin footy player, Black. He's going to take us on a drive.
Yeah.
We're going to see the hoods. We're going to see some of the real Cambodia that a lot of people don't see when they come here. They just see the girls. They just see the nightlife, but we're going to go to the streets. Oh shit, we've nearly pulled straight away. 1 second into the journey, we've nearly pulled into a Lexus. Well, that's all right, let's go.